Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make the solid ripple stitch pattern. For this pattern, you will need to know how to do a double crochet and a single crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 22 plus 17. For this tutorial, I'm going to be chaining 39 chains. Once you have your chains, you want to start off working on row 1. We will start by chaining 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, we are going to be working our first double crochet. Followed by working 6 more double crochets down the chain. Once we have our 6 double crochets, in the next chain we are going to work 2 double crochets in the same chain space. Followed by working 3 double crochets in the next chain space. And working 2 double crochets in the next chain space. Now we will work on doing our decline for the part of the V, and that'll consist of working 7 double crochets down the chain. Alright, we got the top part of the V, now for the bottom part. So this part might be a little bit tricky. We are going to double crochet 5 together. So you pull through your first 2 loops of your double crochet and leave 1 loop on your hook. So now you have 3 loops. Pull through 1, pull through 2, now you have 4 loops. Insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2. You have 5 loops, and our last one, pull through 1, pull through 2. Now you have 6 loops on your crochet hook. Now to make this easier to pull through all 6 loops, I pinch the loops with my thumb and forefinger or middle finger and pull it all through. Now we're going to work our way back up by working 7 double crochets down the chain. And don't worry if you have trouble doing that 5 double crochet together. Just take your time and keep your sense of humor. You'll get it. Alright, now we're going to work 2 double crochets in the next chain space. Followed by 3 double crochets in the next chain space. And 2 double crochets in the next chain space. And then we will work 7 double crochets till the end of the chain row. and that completes row 1, which is our foundation row. You can see how it's already getting that nice wave ripple. Looks like an M, but it'll get better once you create more rows to it. So now we're going to start row 2, and row 2 is super easy. We're going to chain 1 and then we're going to single crochet across the whole entire thing. Easy peasy. Coming up towards the end. All right, and that was row 2. Easy peasy. All right, row 3, we're going to start off by chaining 3. We are going to skip the first 2 stitches, 1, 2, and from the third, we are going to work 7 double crochets all the way up. So 1, 2, and 7. Next, we're going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch, followed by 3 double crochets in the next stitch, and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Then we're going to work 7 double crochets down the row. Next, we're going to do that double crochet 5 together. So again, you insert your yarn, pull through your 1 loop, then 2 loops, but you always want to leave your final loop for your double crochet on your hook. And 1 more. So now that you have your 6 loops on your hook, you want to pull through all 6 of them. And slow and steady, voila! Next, we're going to work 7 double crochets in the next 7 stitches. Now we're going to work our 2 double crochets in the next stitch, followed by 3 double crochets into the stitch after, and then 2 double crochets in the stitch after that. Then we will work 7 double crochets down the row, and you will end up leaving the last 2 stitches, my apologies, unfinished. there you have it. That is how you do the solid ripple stitch pattern. And as you make it bigger, it will end up having a more defined wave to it. But as it starts out, it looks a little bit silly. But I do hope you found this video helpful. Please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.